back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your weekly general message for February 22nd through February the 28th. Yes, and without further ado, we are getting right into the Lovebird bonus for those of you who are in a beautiful, beautiful romantic bond. Angels and guides, positive energy for the lovebirds. Thank you. We have intimacy and turquoise. A turquoise crystal is color blue. Its healing magic works on you. So, yes, there's some healing to be done through intimacy. Actually, the closeness that you two share almost feels healing. It's like, yeah, you know, and boy, that's just like, oh, a weight has been lifted. Maybe you guys haven't been together for a while, either way, emotionally, physically, whatever it is, and coming together, it's a healing emotion. It's like, finally. All right, angels and guides, positive energy for Libras, single Libras. What's the energy for singles? Come on, angels. What are the messages for Libras who are single? Angels and guides, positive energy for Libras who are single. Let's keep shuffling. Too many cards are pulling up. Angels and guides, positive energy for, thank you, for beautiful, beautiful, handsome Libra. We have sexual freedom and four-leaf clover. You have found a four-leaf clover. Unlucky times will soon be over. Yes, I am definitely picking up there's some energy of wanting to be close to someone. I want to say physically, yes. I feel like that's going to be, that need, that desire is going to be over shortly. Okay, for whatever reason. Let's see if it shows up in the message. All right, angels and guides, positive energy for Libra. 7 little days. That is it. That's it, Libra. 7 little days. Angels and guides, positive energy, please, for lovely, lovely Libra. What is going on here, Libra? Oh, way too many cards. Way too many cards. Angels and guides, positive energy for Libra. And we're moving on to my mama's deck. And remember, what goes on the floor stays on the floor. Angels and guides, positive energy, please, for lovely, lovely Libra. Thank you, and thank you. And what's going on? What are the messages for lovely, lovely Libra? Now, let's go ahead and add one from my Dragons deck here. Thank you. Positive energy. And of course, the Dragon deck is all upright so that we can get out all the positive energy. Yes. And we're going to top it off with the vintage Eskimo deck. Angels and guides, positive energy, please, for lovely, lovely Libra. There we go. So let's go ahead and tidy up a bit, and we will get right into your message. All right, so Libra, major theme is the Death card with the 2 of diamonds, the King of diamonds, rewards, woe, and woe. King of diamonds. Yes. All right, so there is a utter change this week. Whoa, big changes in your financial partnerships, whether they be with relationships to jobs or relationships with people or romantic relationships. There is big change with the King of Diamonds. You are definitely taking control of your world. With rewards, there are rewards when it comes to the King of Diamonds, when it comes to taking control of your money, your finances, your business, whatever it is. This is a complete change. You have not been doing this in the past, and now this week You're getting to it. All right. Now, when we look at the recent past, we have the Knight of Wands, with the Two of Spades, the Eight of Spades, Gratitude, and the Eight of Clubs. So, in the recent past, I feel like with the Knight of Wands, I feel like in the recent past there was some energy that kind of left, right? It kind of left. It looked like it was a partnership, friendship. It could have been romantic, it could have been a work partner, or it could have been just someone's energy leaving. There was power in this whatever it was that left, whether it was a person, a situation. I feel like even maybe you left a situation and you were grateful for that. With the Eight of Clubs, yeah, you're like done. Like I see you done emotionally leaving a situation, or actually some of you could have just literally left a situation. Now, or a person. Now, when we look in the middle of the week, we have the Nine of Pentacles reversed with the Five of Spades, the Two of Clubs shine, and the Five of Clubs. Five of Clubs, another five here. All right, so let's see. Middle of the week, financially speaking, you could be doing better, okay? With the Five of Spades, don't worry. Things are going to change. I see you having a communication about this change. With the Shine card, you are actually going to come out on top in this situation. So don't kind of go you're back and forth. Listen, you'll be okay. You'll be the one on top. All right. Now, when we look at the end of the week, we have the Temperance card with the Jack of Diamonds, the three of Diamonds, moderation, and the Nine of Hearts. So by the end of the week, I see that you are being so patient. Yes, you are. You're being so patient with whatever creative endeavors that you are doing. You're being extremely patient because there's multiple things that you are doing, multiple things that you are getting done. Take your time, and this is what they call a labor of love. There's multiple things, I feel like multiple things that you are doing, and it's almost like you have to pay attention, dot your I's, cross your T's. You can all get it done. You might have to exert a lot of emotional energy to get these things done, but I see that you can. All right, now, when I look at your bonus, you have the Six of Swords, the 10 of Cups with the eight of Diamonds, the Ace of Spades, opinions, and the Queen of Clubs. So I feel like your bonus is you're really thinking about leaving a situation that is, I feel like it's turbulent at times, but it's not that you are doing it, you're thinking about doing it. You're thinking of going, you want to be happy. I'm just saying, you just want to be happy. You want to be powerful. You want a new beginning. Yes, there are a lot of opinions about how, with the Queen of Clubs, how you are doing it, but I feel like you're going to go in the direction of what leads you happiness and joy. So you're getting in control of your finances. This is a very powerful week when it comes to getting motivated, doing what you need to do, getting things done. There's multiple things on the table that needs to be finished, but take your time. Go back and check again. Have someone else check again. There's something about what's going on right now that you're thinking you don't want to be doing it and you want to go in towards joy. Whether you do that or not, because of this Five of Clubs, you're kind of going back and forth. Do I leave or do I stay? Do I finish this up or do I not? I definitely feel like you're going to not have a resolve up here. You're going to get it done. You're going to get everything that you need done. But there's parts of you that want to know, am I going to continue to do this? Am I going to keep doing this? Yes. So I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.